Hello everyone, welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you one of the most easiest recipe about brownie. Brownie is one of the most famous and loved dessert by everyone. This brownie is just beyond easy. Let's get started with this recipe. In a saucepan, put 300 grams of dark chocolate, 120 grams of butter. Melt them in double boiler. I did use good quality of chocolate, like I'm showing you in this video. In a bowl with a hand mixer, mix 3 eggs with 1 yolk and 250 grams of brown sugar, little bit of vanilla, 3/4 cup of oil. Mix the mixture well until it doubles in volume and the sugar dissolves. In another bowl, sift 150 grams of flour. Cut 100 grams of dark chocolate into small pieces and mix it with the flour so that it does not fall on the bottom of the tray. And add this mixture to the egg mixture. Add this mixture to your eggs mixture by folding it gently. After mixing the eggs and flour well, add the chocolate mixture and melted butter and mix them gently. When your ingredients are all well incorporated, put the brownie mixture in a greased tray and bake it in a hot oven for about 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. I decorated my brownie with a little bit of Oreo on the top, and this is optional. You can leave your brownie plain. After 15 minutes, take out your brownie from the oven and let it cool down at room temperature. The sign of a successful brownie is the cracks and the glossy front, which you will get it in this recipe. Before cutting the brownie into pieces, remove the edges first, so that the shape of the pieces is neat and clean. Cut the brownie into pieces of the size you prefer, and clean your knife with a paper between each cut. The brownie was successful because it's crunchy and shiny on outside and soft on the inside with the wonderful taste of chocolate. This recipe is very worth to try. I hope you will try it soon and leave me a comment how it came out with you. My recipe for today is done. I hope my video was helpful and you will try this recipe soon. Please like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye!